Hello, good morning. We must be fearless and bold in pursuit of our happiness, our freedom, and our peace. We must move forward with self determination, self confidence, and self love. And they want us to know we must pay attention to our finances. Um, we are having thoughts now about life, death, and even rebirth. And that is because we are growing spiritually. We're shedding old habits, old situations, old people that don't serve our higher good anymore. And we choosing deep healing. We've been on a long, long journey, either physically or mentally, and we are much wiser now. We've done all the inner work or a lot of the inner work, and they say your outside world is going to reflect the beauty that you have within you now. This and that is true. They say that you are addressing selfishness and your ego, and they say you mustn't cause chaos by echoing destructive antisocial behavior. There are untamed forces disrupting human order, and you are guarding your and holding on too tight to your resources. They say there has been a lot of losses in the past, but you still have passion and there's life ahead of you. You must get back to basics. You've got a new attitude now, and they say you are being watched over by your angels and spirit guides. You must take a leap of faith. You are finding balance and strength and emotional depth. You are territorial, but you are bringing a gentle touch to your life. You put it into a lot of things, people, situations, all kinds of things, and you embracing the new beginnings. Do not back down from the opposition. Show strength and fortitude. There is romance in the air for you, so they want you to stay positive and move forward in your confidence. You are encompassing the liminal space between reality and imagination. They want you to know that you are the protector and you are being protected by your angels. You represent playfulness and you are the bridge between the gap between the mundane and the spiritual. You've let go of things that didn't serve you. You broke those chains that were binding you or holding you back, and there's good things coming your way. You had great worry over nothing, and now you are actually connecting with people on a soul level, people, like-minded people that understand you, and this is bringing you peace of mind. Your loved ones want you to, this is their message, don't let others coerce you into a decision. You know in your heart what the right choice is. Talk about your feelings, they want you to know, and there is a hidden talent that will bring you great success. Have a lovely day, everybody. I love you all.